You made it! Congratulations to each and every one of you. I want to be sure to tell you a few things as it's now the final wrap up. Um, this week, you have your final exam. You have a comprehensive final review, a worksheet, okay, to finish, like a normal assignment, only it's comprehensive. It's got everything in there that I need you to know. Do make sure that you go out to the resources and find the final review for the med term. That's going to be really important for you. Use it as a worksheet, print it out, fill it out, get writer's cramp, fill in all those terms, all the word parts and the definitions. Really, I honestly and firmly believe that there really is two parts to this language, and one is learning all of the combining forms, prefixes, and suffixes, flashcards, right? If you know any part, I should be able to ask you any type of question, and you can break it down by that term and give me, an educated guess, right? If you don't know the answer. The other part of this is spelling. And I'm not too lenient on spelling. Spelling's a big deal. Spelling, unfortunately could mean life and death if we're talking about giving the wrong medication or performing the wrong procedure. You just never know, right? And we can't afford to gamble with that with our health care. So really make sure that you know your word parts and that in the final review, you'll see some abbreviations, some common abbreviations, ones that I've highlighted each week for you, and also some common lab tests are going to be talked about too. Maybe the layers of the skin, maybe that the Mohs surgery is layer by layer removal. That I think I might talk to you about the first degree, second degree, and third degree burns and how to identify and establish the differences in those two. So make sure you take time this week. Make sure you ask me any questions that you have. I'm available for you. All you have to do is ask, and congratulations.